Welcome to Connect a Million Minds Lacrosse Challenge, presented by Time Warner Cable.
And brought to you by Physics.
I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Gabriella.
We're coming to you live from STEM in Sports Desk at Hudson Valley Tech Smart facility in Malta, New York.
Let's get to the action as the players take the field. Lots of science to enjoy while this great game is being played.
Well, Newton's laws of motion are in full effect here as the players get ready to face off, and the ball and the players will remain at rest until the whistle blows.
The ball in the netted pocket of the stick is being cradled as the player rocks the stick back and forth so it stays in the pocket and creates friction. And look as the player really accelerates down the field. As he dodges the defenseman, he'd better be careful. Too much friction and the ball is released too slowly, which will be a short shot. Not enough friction and the ball will be released too high and the ball will be shot too far.
He shoots, he scores. Also notice that the short stick, or the attack man, with the shorter, lighter stick, mass is decreased so the stick and the ball's acceleration increases.
But when you are on defense, such as this player playing the midfield position, the key is a low center of gravity to stop the fast velocity. Protect that goal. And that's the third law of physics. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. See how the player crouches down and distribute his mass over a smaller area, making it difficult to be knocked down when making a check on the other player.
Ouch, that check had to hurt. Great defense and another hard shot on the goal. See how the stick acts as a lever arm when the player winds up the shot to the goal out of the player? Another great science lesson. A solid object causes motion by using a pivot.
And it certainly is in motion. The average lacrosse shot is 100 miles per hour. The world record is 111 miles per hour.
Think about it. A Major League Baseball pitcher throws a 90-mile-per-hour fastball across home plate, and it crosses the plate in 0.44 seconds. But in lacrosse, the velocity is even faster. So in the same distance, 60 feet, at 105 miles per hour, the shot on a goal hits the net in 0.39 seconds, or 11% faster. So the key to a blazing shot is to remember the powerful combination of biomechanics and the way the power's body moves, and the physics including force, mass, and acceleration.
And it's important to get out of the way of that shot or the defenseman. So that goalie better be prepared and have all his protective gear on.
Well, that's an exciting recap. That's it from the set of Time Warner Cable's STEM in Sports at Tech Smart. I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Gabriella. Thanks for joining us to learn about the science behind America's fastest growing sport, lacrosse.